Let's practice this Olympiad equation together. It says 4 raised to the power x is equal to 24. You're required to solve for x in this equation, okay? Now, worthy of noting here, we have that 4 can be expressed in index form as 2 squared. 24 is multiple of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And this is 2 cubed multiplied by 3, also in index form, okay? Now you can go ahead and say that this question will now change to, so we had 4 raised to the power x equal to 24. This question now becomes 2 squared raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 3. 2 squared raised to the power x is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2x to be equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, at this point, we can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So we say the logarithm of 2 raised to the power of 2x is equal to the logarithm of 2 cubed multiplied by 3. Now this logarithm we're going to take it in a base on number carrying x. Number carrying x is 2. So the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say let's multiply 2x with log of 2 to base 2. So we have 2x multiplied by log of 2 to base 2 to be equal to, on this other side, we can split up and put plus. So we have log of 2, so log in base 2 of 2 cubed plus, so this multiplication becomes plus log of 3 to base 2. Okay? Now, for this point, we can say that log of a number to its own base is 1. So this is log of 2 to base 2. So this will give us 1. So we have 1 times 2x to be equal to 2x. And this is equal to, multiply 3 times log of 2 to base 2 plus log of 3 to base 2. And this is equal to, log of 2 to base 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus log of 3 to base 2. Now we have that our x here is equal to 3 divided by 2 is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by log of 3 to base 2. Okay, so we can conclude that this is the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching, guys.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.